So, as we have seen the evolution of data mining, so one question that might pop up in your brain is, why do we call this processor, this system, as a data mining? So why is it being called a data mining? The term data mining is derived from the analogy of extracting valuable information or knowledge from large volumes of data, similar to mining for precious minerals or resources from the earth. The process of data mining involves digging deep into the data, exploring and analyzing it to discover hidden patterns, relationships, and insights. So, here are a few reasons why the term data mining is used, or the data mining is being coined. The first one is extraction of valuable information. Just as mining involves extracting valuable resources from the earth, data mining involves extracting valuable information or knowledge from large data sets. The goal is to uncover hidden patterns or insights that can be useful for decision making, predictions, or identifying trends. And the second reason that I have here for you is large volume of data. Data mining is often associated with large data sets that contain a vast amount of information, similar to mining operations that involve extracting large quantities of minerals or resources. Data mining deals with handling and processing large volumes of data to uncover meaningful patterns and insights. The third reason that we have here is digging deep for hidden patterns. So, in mining, valuable resources are often found deep within the earth and require digging and exploration to discover them. Similarly, data mining involves exploring and analyzing the data in depth or to uncover hidden patterns, relationships, and trends that may not be apparent at first glance. And the next step and the next and fourth reason that I have for you is discovery and exploration. Mining is an active process of exploration and discovery where valuable resources are uncovered through systematic search and analysis. Data mining reflects a similar process of exploration and discovery in the field of data analysis, where pattern and patterns and knowledge are discovered through various algorithms, statistical techniques, and exploratory analysis. So the term data mining emphasizes the process of extracting valuable information or knowledge from large datasets through exploration, analysis, and discovery. It highlights the idea that data contains hidden treasures that can be uncovered and utilized for various purposes such as business insights, scientific research, and decision making. And this is why it's being called the data mining.